SafePass Plus invites you to a smarter and safer place. In our everyday life, when we meet one another, we come upon so many different choices and end up with a choice of our own. A choice could determine our future. Whatever choices we make in our daily lives, we hope that our choices are for the best. So we start off each day with hopes that good comes from the choices we make in our daily lives. When we encounter new problems for the first time in our life, without any hesitation, we hope that it will be solved without any problems. Even if it doesn't, we still try our best to solve it and achieve near perfection. Sometimes when we achieve great accomplishments, we like to share them instantly with our loved ones. And that happiness is priceless as we are alongside each other. Being with others that we know, that's the best comfort we can find in our surroundings. Last but not least, very rarely, we would come across pleasant surprises that will spark our daily lives. To return to our precious daily lives, why don't we start with being safe first? SafePass Plus.